Welcome back to the channel. Real quick, y'all recognize this? Y'all probably don't recognize this car because it's Chrysler done making these, but I'll tell you what it is. I'm gonna tell you why it's in here. This is a Chrysler Pacifica. That's right, man, Pacifica. Not, you know, the name of the Pacifica name is now the new minivan, but back in 08, this was the big body Chrysler cars they call the Pacifica. Now again, it's a unique thing why this car is in here. I'm gonna tell you why. They're working on timing belt number 3. And you know what that means? Now y'all know my suggestions about timing belt. My recommendations about timing belt. Every 100,000 miles. And some cars even sooner, like the PT Cruiser, get that done every 80. But we talking about the Pacifica, okay? This engine is different than the PT Cruiser. This is a V6 engine. PT Cruiser is an inline 4-cylinder. All right, but at any rate, they're working on number 3 timing belt. You know why? You know why? Especially if I recommend a timing belt at 100,000 miles. What does that mean? Can y'all do the math on that? That means this car has over 300,000 miles. That's right. Matter of fact, I'm finna take you around and show you proof. And for those that keep thinking or keep saying Chrysler products don't last over 100,000 miles, Chrysler products are junk. People like Scotty Thurman, old man Scotty. I love Scotty to death, man, but Scotty be tripping sometime, man. He be pissing me off, man, talking about Chrysler cars are junk or don't buy Chrysler, stuff like that. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? I got the key on. Can y'all see that? 360 some thousand miles. That's right. Just drove this car, man. Runs immaculate. Nice car, man. That's right, man. Chrysler Pacifica with the 4-liter engine in it. Timing belt number 3. All that means is, I don't want y'all to see his license plate, but all that means is the car has over 300,000 miles and still going strong. Nothing wrong with it. Absolutely nothing. Only reason it's here is because I recommended to them a long time ago, get that timing belt done every 100,000 miles. When you tell somebody that, they figure it's a one-shot deal because nobody seemed to keep a car longer than 100,000 miles anyway. But this guy, my buddy, is now sitting on 300 and some thousand miles. All right. So you Chrysler haters out there, I would love to tell y'all what to do, but because I'm monetized, I got to watch my language. But that's right, man. Chrysler make decent cars. Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, all of them make. Every car had its problem within its year range. The PT Cruiser get a lot of flack. Let me tell y'all something about the PT Cruiser. That car came out in 01 and left town in 10 in the USA. In some markets, it's 2012. So that's almost a 10-year run. Okay, you can't tell me that car was that bad as some people make it out to be. Now, sure, there's some problems. There's problems with every car manufacturer. Every car manufacturer has a car that has lingering problems. The PT Cruiser was one of them, but it's not as... Y'all kill me out that dog in that poor little car out. I love the PT Cruiser. Okay, so it had its problems during its time. Problem is, people still own them and they experiencing these problems now. So first natural thing come out of their mouth, don't never buy a PT Cruiser, it's a piece of junk. No, the technology of the PT Cruiser is dead and gone. Okay, so this Pacifica came out in 04. I think it left town in 08. All right, so that's a nice 4-year run. I have a 04 Pacifica, but mine has a 3.5 in it. They soon went to the 4-liter after shortly, but nice cars. It just died early because of sales. Sales will kill any car name or car brand, okay? But that PT almost went 10 years. And you got the nerve to keep saying it's a terrible car. It was a terrible car during its time. No, cut it out, Scotty. I love Scotty, but sometimes, okay. It's supposed to be about this Pacifica, and I'm done. Thanks for watching, man. It's Chrysler Pacifica, timing belt number 3. That means it's over 300,000 miles. I'm finna do it again. Nothing to it. No sense in me filming it. Y'all know the drill. Of course, do the idler, timing belt idler while you're down there, and the water pump. All that's getting done. Okay, this is a faithful customer to take care of their car, and I aim to keep it running as long as they want to keep the car. All right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.